Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BTFO charger kit for 3DS. A premium PVC charger compatible with a wide range of Nintendo handheld consoles. If you've ever found yourself struggling with low battery mid-game or hunting for the right charger while traveling, this kit promises a simple and reliable solution. The package includes a single charger for DSi and 3DS models along with a charging cable. It's designed to ensure stable and efficient power transmission, which not only keeps your console charged but also helps in extending the overall battery life of your device. Both the charger and the cable are made from high-quality PVC material, giving them durability and resilience against wear and tear. The cable itself is sturdy and designed to prevent breakage, which is a common issue with third-party charging accessories. One of the standout features of this charger kit is its wide compatibility. Whether you own a 3DS XL, a new 2DS XL, or a classic DSi, this single charger can meet all your needs. This makes it a convenient replacement or backup option if your original charger is lost or damaged. The compact size of the charger, measuring roughly 6.5 by 4.5 by 2.3 centimeters, makes it incredibly portable. It can easily fit into a bag or backpack, allowing you to charge your console at home or on the go without taking up much space. Setting it up couldn't be simpler. Just plug the adapter into a power outlet, connect the cable to your device, and charging begins immediately. There's no complex setup or installation required, which makes it perfect for gamers who want a hassle-free solution. The charger supports input voltages from 100 to 240 volts, so it's suitable for use worldwide, making it an ideal companion for travel. In terms of design, the gray and black color scheme is sleek and neutral, blending seamlessly with most console colors. The charger is lightweight, adding almost no bulk when carrying it around. The build quality feels solid, and the connection points on both the adapter and cable are designed to last for years of regular use. Overall, this charger kit for 3DS offers an affordable, versatile, and reliable solution for keeping your Nintendo handheld consoles powered up. Its wide compatibility, durable construction, and compact, travel-friendly design make it a practical choice for both casual and dedicated gamers. If you're looking for a dependable charger that covers multiple 3DS models and ensures your gaming sessions are never interrupted, this kit is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns and insights.